and touchdown. Welcome to Cape Town International Airport, the best airport in Africa. Did you know that the top 3 best airports in Africa are in South Africa? If you didn't know, now you do. Cape Town was crowned the best city in the world in 2025 by Time Out. This city continues to blow my mind with its natural beauty. If you want to learn about the history of South Africa, Cape Town is one of the best places to start. You will find my Cape Town travel series in my playlist. All the apartments in this video were booked via bookings.com. At major popular destinations, I only book accommodation that has at least 800 reviews and a rating of at least 7.5. My checklist for all 3 apartments that are in this video was that they needed to be centrally located, safe with good security. I should be able to walk to the shops, to the mall. For instance, this apartment is within walking distance of the V&A waterfront. This apartment feels like a home away from home. The apartments are cleaned regularly and there are rules that you need to follow while you're here. There is no noise here. It is so peaceful. You can actually sit and work if that's what you want to do. I will walk to the V&A waterfront to go and buy groceries. I love walking, good exercise. It also gives you an opportunity to take in the sights and sounds of the city that you're in. I will Uber back though. There are also fast food outlets around the corner. Changi Airport in Singapore. It is one of the best airports in the world, and what you're looking at is the tallest indoor waterfall in the world. This is one airport where you can actually come and hang out at the airport. There's a mall here. You can come sightseeing and enjoy the beautiful garden that they have created here. Somewhere that this building was a school that was converted into apartment units. When you're outside, the building is not impressive, but once you're inside, the units are quite awesome. And what I love about the building is its location. I can walk to the mall from here, and there are also restaurants across the street. The building also has a co-working space. I couldn't film there because there are people working. It also has a coffee station area where you can get all kinds of coffees all hours of the day and night. There is also a swimming pool, but it was under maintenance when I went outside to film. The staff here is also very friendly and helpful. I needed to change apartments, and in no time they had moved me to this apartment, which is in the quiet section of the building away from a somewhat busy road. Singapore is very safe. This evening, I decided to walk to the mall to buy dinner. I even walked past a construction site and there was no cat calling. I was in Rome, Italy, walking to Vatican City for sightseeing when I heard cat calling. The last time I had such was in the 90s. I couldn't believe it. Singapore is one country I always wanted to visit and it didn't disappoint. You will find my Singapore travel series in my playlist. Just like Singapore, Malaysia is one country I have always wanted to visit, and I spent 28 days in Malaysia. I stayed at a hotel, one of the best hotels I've ever stayed in. Then I spent the second half of my stay in Malaysia in this apartment. If you have watched the video up to this point, please consider subscribing if you haven't. You might also think that you have subscribed, but you're not. Please check and hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. I first saw this apartment building from an African travel influencer, and she was complaining that the apartment that she had booked via Airbnb had no AC. Let me tell you, air conditioning is a must. And thank goodness this apartment has two ACs, one in the living area and another one in the bedroom. What I like about this apartment are the facilities. There is also a coffee shop downstairs and a convenience shop. There are also restaurants nearby. You can also walk to the Twin Towers from here. The Petronas Twin Towers are the tallest twin towers in the world. You can spot the Twin Towers from the swimming pool area. You'll see that just now. you are dreaming of visiting South Africa, Singapore, and Malaysia, you can check out my travel series on each country. Thank you for watching. If you found value in my content, please do the honorable thing and hit that subscribe button. You can only leave a comment if you are a subscriber. Thank you very much. Until next time, please take care of yourself and may God bless you.